So in today's video, I tried out DoorDash at nighttime. It's been a very long time since I tried the night shift on DoorDash. Got a few questions. Is it still worth it? Can you still make that money? DoorDash has been changing recently. They've been doing a lot of updates, adding new features, and they've really been sticking it to the driver, guys.
Yes, sir. Let me yes, sir. Yes, sir.
$12.50 for 14 miles. 2 orders going to the same customer. Guess what? It's gonna sit right there. It ain't getting picked up by me. Damn! And we got 20 minutes to do it, guys. I don't know. I feel like DoorDash might have just played me because I pretty much called it. Tell me why these raggedy ended my dash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, so we back for the night shift, guys. DoorDash still got this streak bonus bull crap going on, and it's just making it hard for everything. Hold on, get the light right. Hold on now, what's going on with my light?
Do it!
Just flickering, that ain't gonna work.
Just
Might be time to buy a new light.
do it!
There we go. Alright, so DoorDash got this delivery streak stuff still going on in my zone. I'm back out for the nighttime. And just have a look at these first couple orders that DoorDash tried to hit me with. Like, it's actually quite ridiculous that they even think that people finna fall for this. Order number 1, $10.25 for 10.9 miles. You know I had to go ahead and decline that one. They say I'm gonna go down to 37%. Well, guess what? I'm cool with it. And then I waited a little couple minutes, and then they tried to hit me with this offer right here. $12.50 for 14 miles. 2 orders going to the same customer. Guess what? It's gonna sit right there. It ain't getting picked up by me. So we go ahead and decline that one too. And now we got our next order. This one came in at $10.75, 6.6 miles. That I can do, and I just filled up the gas tank too. So I need to make that money back. We right here at Moe's Southwest. I'm here now, waiting on them to finish making it. And we're gonna drive this one 6 miles down the road. Now normally they try to hit me with a like $8 order going 6 miles or a $9 order going 6 miles. No, I decline those all day long. $10.75 going 6 miles, and really, it's not really 6 miles. They kind of route the orders kind of weird over here. I said I can go ahead and take that. And then on top of that, I'm finna go pick up this Walmart Spark order as soon as I get done. And it look like they bagging up that food right now, so I'm finna throw it in the hot bag. All right, made it to the delivery destination, but I cannot see nothing. That's why I'm glad I got this damn spotlight. So at least I can see and people can see me. See, steps right there. Probably looks there. Sit that there. Sit that picture. All right. Got it done. Now we heading over to Walmart to get our next order. I was on my way heading back to Walmart, and DoorDash actually sent me an order that made some sense. We got $8, 3 miles right here at Hawaiian Bros. And I'm here now. I pulled right up. I still got time till my DoorDash order is ready. Not my DoorDash, till my Walmart Spark order is ready. So I said I'm gonna pull up here, grab this order. This is the second one right here. So now look, DoorDash, don't try to play me. You said if I get 5 orders done consecutively, I get an extra $8. You already played me once earlier today on that delivery streak. Let's see if you try to pull some shenanigans this time. Like they hitting us with the add-on special. We got plus $6 for an extra 0.6 of a mile. And I hopefully they don't play me. This should make it order number 3 right here. Boom. So now, if I get these 2 orders done, I should just need 1 more, and that'll be 3 orders done on this little delivery streak. So it looks like we're gonna be heading to KFC right after this one, and it's perfect because both of these orders are taking me back right over there by the Walmart, and I'm gonna be able to get my next Walmart Spark order. Hopefully it don't make me late. Here we go, dropping off this Hawaiian Bros. Pulled up to KFC, and of course, they had a busy line. They did not have their order ready. So I said, you know what? I'm dropping off this one first. Boom. Go ahead and get this good old picture. Now we heading back to KFC. If they ain't got this order ready, I'm finna drop it. I know it need to give me that message, the possibility to unassign this order, because if they don't got that thing ready, it ain't gonna be no way I'm gonna be able to get 2 more orders done. I only got 30 more minutes on the schedule. So I need them to have that order ready so I can go ahead and keep it moving. This is absolutely crazy. I'm back. Drive through. It don't even look like it moved at all. Let me go in here and see if this order ready, because this is crazy. If this order ain't ready, I'm about to unassign it. If this order ain't ready, look, I'm about to unassign this and I'm about to keep it moving. And I'm going to call it a loss, because ain't no way I'm going to get... if I have to unassign it, I'm probably gonna lose out on the streak anyways. That's the first thing. But the other thing is, like, I'm not even finna chase this no more. Lucky this order was ready. Now we got the order, I can calm down a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off and see if we can go ahead and grab two more. One more stack and we'll be good to go. Crazy. The whole time I left the microphone down there. All right. Woo! All right, we got the order dropped off. That was a lot. That house is up on the hill. The numbers is on the wrong side. They just got too much going on over there. Oh, I will not be going back to that house if I can help it. All right, go ahead and confirm that. This one should be, let's turn this light off. $6 make you want to holler. Oh my goodness, man. I hope I never get that house again. That's a dangerous delivery right there. All right, so we need two more and we got 20 minutes to do it, guys. I don't know. I feel like DoorDash might have just played me because they knew I wasn't gonna be able to hit it. So they just, you know what I'm saying, enticed me with it because I had a short dash time. Because I don't even think it's achievable at this point. I would have to get a stack for sure in order to have any chance to even make it. Now, the bonus don't end until 9 o'clock, but my dash ends at 7, so it don't matter how long the streak is for, because the moment my dash ends, boom, I ain't getting no more orders after that. So let's see, I'm gonna head back up to the zone. I pretty much called it. Tell me why these raggedy bastards just ended my dash. I had 20 whole minutes left, and they straight up just ended my dash completely, all the way together. So now I have no chance of hitting it now at all, whatsoever. This mug got the nerve to say, start time 5:22, active time 1 hour 4 minutes, 3 deliveries, $25. What's that? $25.75. They ganked me. They ganked me. I still had time to do a whole nother stack on DoorDash. So now I don't get the money for that. I don't get the streak bonus. This is 2 times in one day that I got played out of the streak bonus. Look, this is why I say DoorDash is a scam. You know, I've been giving them less and less of my time over the last couple months, really since like August. But this is just the icing on the cake right here. They lowered the base pay again. They stealing money right out of your pocket when you do a stack. And then they try to entice you with a streak like, yeah, we'll give you some of the money back just to play you and end your dash. And then let's talk about all the people that's top dasher. One of the perks of being top dasher is being able to start your dash and end your dash. And the other people who not top dasher, they can't do that. So now, by them introducing this new streak and making it to where if you end your dash, you end your streak, they just took that right out of top dashers' pockets. That's messed up. Look, if you enjoy watching me suffer today and make only 25 bucks on DoorDash and get ganked out of my streak again, do me a favor. Hit that like and that subscribe button, man. I'm about to